Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video I'm going to be showing you what I do to my hair during wash days. So if you want to see everything I do to my hair from beginning to end, then keep on watching this video to the end. So before we get into the actual wash, I want to show you how I make my deep conditioner. So here I've got some olive oil, some honey, some coconut milk, and one ripe banana. Now I'm going to peel and cut the banana into smaller pieces and add it into the blender. And next I'm going to be adding 3 tablespoons of the coconut milk. If you don't want to use coconut milk, you can use plain yogurt if that's what you have. Next I'm going to be adding 1.5 tablespoon of the olive oil, and I'm using extra virgin olive oil. And next I'm going to be adding 1 tablespoon of the honey. I'm using raw honey as well, and I'm going to blend all this together until it is well nice and blended. And then I'll transfer it into this old container, and that's it. So here is my rice water. I'm going to be doing rice water rinse in this video as well. So this is my rice water rinse solution. If you want to see a video on how I make my rice water rinse, please let me know in the comment section below. And here are all the products I'm going to be using, plus 2 other ones which I didn't show here. So this is my hair. I know it's not all that dirty, but trust me, I really needed to wash my hair. My hair needs to be washed, honestly. So the next thing I'm going to be doing now is to run water all over my hair, and then I will begin to spray my apple cider water all over my hair, and I will begin to massage it with the tip of my fingers. And what this apple cider water helps to do is it helps to raise all the product buildup that is sitting on my scalp. So that's why I'm doing this. And what I have in that spray bottle is just half apple cider vinegar and half water. So after I'm done with the apple cider vinegar, I rinse it out with a lukewarm water, and then I'll begin to shampoo my hair. And for the shampoo, I'm using my DIY African black soap liquid shampoo, which I made myself. I have a video on that, on how I made the shampoo, so you can check the description box below if you want to see a video on how I made the shampoo. Now after I applied the shampoo on my scalp, I applied it directly on my scalp. Then I used the massaging hairbrush to massage my scalp thoroughly to get rid of all the dirt that is sitting on my scalp, and then I will rinse it again with a lukewarm water. I'm going to repeat the same step on the other section of hair. Now the reason I'm making this video is because I've gotten lots of questions from some of you, like tons of questions on what I do to my hair, that my hair has really grown, my hair is improving. What do you do to your hair to make it more softer and more manageable? So this is exactly what I do to my hair during wash days. Now for the deep conditioner, sometimes I like to switch it up. Sometimes I mix my conditioners with olive oil and honey. Sometimes I use avocado and banana. I just use whatever I have at hand. Next thing I'm going to do now is to deep condition my hair, and I'm using the deep conditioner that I showed you earlier. I'm just applying it all over my hair, and I'm making sure that the tip of my hair is well coated in the deep conditioner, because that is the most drying part of my hair. Like when that place gets tangled, I really find it difficult to detangle my hair. So I always apply tons of product at the tip of my hair because it helps me a lot during detangling and styling. As you saw earlier, the deep conditioner is very runny. It has this runny consistency, and I love it so much because once I apply it to my hair, it melts straight away into every strand of my hair, and I'm using all of those. So this deep conditioner, my hair really loves it so much. Like I can easily glide my fingers through my hair without any hold up, like without any tangles stopping me from doing that. So I like this conditioner so much. It is really moisturizing and it leaves my hair super soft. So I'm going to cover my hair and leave it for about 10 minutes. I don't know how long I kept it, but I think it's up to 10 minutes. But if your hair is really thick and dry, then you want to leave it for at least 30 minutes before you wash it out. So after about 10 minutes or thereabouts, this is what my hair looks like. Like you can see how soft my hair feels, even though I'm not sure if I left this for up to 10 minutes, but my hair feels super soft, as you can see here. Now I'm going to rinse out the deep conditioner with lukewarm water. Like, I don't know, whenever I'm washing my hair, I always like to wash my hair with lukewarm water. That's how I've been doing it. Like that lukewarm water really helps a lot in making my hair to be very soft and more manageable. The next thing I'm going to be doing now is the rice water rinse. Like you guys, this rice water rinse, it has helped me so much. I've been doing this rice water rinse for the past 1 month. I do it whenever I want to wash my hair, and I have seen lots of goodies from this. It has made my hair more manageable, more elastic, and more bouncy. Like my hair feels very soft, and I have also retained length over the past 1 month. I'm going to show you at the end of this video the first day I used the rice water rinse, the length of my hair then, and the length of my hair now after the 1 month. So after I apply the rice water on my hair, I make sure I work it into my hair thoroughly, and then I rinse it out. I don't have to cover it for some minutes before I wash it. No, I just apply it, massage it thoroughly into my hair, like let's say give it 5 minutes, and then I rinse it off. Now the next to final step is I'm going to be further cleansing my hair with this cleansing conditioner, and the product I'm using is Hair One cleansing conditioner. This conditioner is amazing. It helps to detangle my hair. It smells so good. It has this minty smell or minty sensation. How do I say it? I don't know, but it feels like mint. It's amazing. I love it. And the reason I'm applying this conditioner is because of how the rice water smells. Like the rice water smells, well, I won't say it smells so bad, but it does smell. So that's why I'm using this conditioner to get rid of that smell. So after I apply it all over my hair, I use it to detangle my hair further, even though my hair is not that much tangled, but I really have to detangle as well to make the styling process more easier. And then I will rinse it off again with lukewarm water, and that's it. The next thing I'm going to do now is to lock in all the moisture I've applied to my hair with this Blue Magic castor oil conditioner. It is just in form of oil, but it's like Vaseline, so I will use it to seal in all the moisture in my hair. And at this point, you can either use olive oil, coconut oil, any oil of your choice. You can use it to seal in the moisture. And the final step is to put my hair in these chunky braids. Now this is all the shaded hair I got from this wash routine. As you can see, the rice water has also helped me so much when it comes to shedding. So I do hope you try the rice water rinse. Now this was my hair the first day I used the rice water, and this is my hair now. I really do hope you find this video helpful, and also the reason I'm making this video is to inspire you that you don't have to break the bank in buying expensive products. You can make do with whatever you have, and make sure you are using mostly natural ingredients on your hair. And trust me, before you know it, you will start loving your natural hair. Thank you so much for stopping by today on my channel. God bless you all. Bye.